I think it's important to have a first aid kit no matter where you are. You know, I'm sure your work has one, and I have a great one in my car. I got a video on it. Again, hardly used it, but I have a great kit. And I have comprehensive first aid supplies at home. But when I travel, I also take a first aid kit. Now, if I'm on a road trip, that my first aid kit might differ a little bit if I'm flying or on a cruise ship. So I kind of tailor it for where I'm going. We're taking a 17-day Panama cruise, and I wanted to make sure I had a travel first aid kit for a cruise. So I thought I'd show you what I have. I wanted to show you this little pouch. It was a Christmas present from Jason at Vanquest. Here you go. Toughest bags and packs for everyday carry. You know, and I love the neon orange with the gray because I can really quick see the neon orange. It just kind of pops out at you, especially these. It's a great little pouch. But you might think, well, it's so small. What can you do with it? Well, when you unzip it, let's see here. Okay, so now you can see how big you can get the pouch. So what is that? About maybe over 3 inches across. Yeah, and it's got this neat little Velcro, so you can put any patch or anything you want on it. And on the back, yep, you can attach it to your bag. It's got another Velcro patch. So this little bag, well, it can hold a lot. And I thought I'd show you how I am using it. At the end of the week, we'll be leaving for a cruise, a 17-day Panama cruise. And I always take a medical kit with me. Here we go. Make it more official, right? There. Whenever I travel. Now, I kind of custom what goes in this kit, depending if it's a road trip, a cruise in warm weather, something in cold weather. I adjust what goes in the kit. But I thought I'd show you what I'm packing in this travel cruise kit. Let's get started. So here's a little travel kit all packed. I just slapped that on just for easy identification. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. First off, some pills, Pepto-Bismol, Tylenol, and earplugs, just in case. You never know with a cruise room. Oops. Some more pills. I love this little pill case. Okay. So we have Advil, Aleve, Pepcid, Rolaids, Benadryl, and Imodium. Nice little kit, just in case. Okay. And then, you never know. We could lose a filling or something. So this repairs lost fillings and loose caps. So we can still enjoy all the great food on the cruise. And then, yes, this is Dramamine for seasickness. So if I was just going on a road trip, I wouldn't include this. But my husband doesn't necessarily like big waves, so put it in the kit. Got one Sporicidin disinfectant towelette. And let's see what's otherwise empty. Let's see what's in this. Okay. Here, very small, right? And it is liquid skin for a minor cut. Conceal it. It's such a nice little size, isn't it? And then we have some medicinal raw honey, Manuka honey. Great for, again, a cut. Let's see back here. And then a little gauze, more sponge gauze. Bigger Band-Aid, smaller Band-Aid, another bigger Band-Aid, another bigger Band-Aid. Oh, and I have quite a few of these in there, burn-free relieving gel. And that's because, again, we're going on a cruise and we might get sunburned. So this really feels good when you put it on. It's a cooling gel. And then something I consider very important for me, moleskin. No matter what shoes I wear, I have a tendency to get blisters if I'm walking much. So I keep this so I can cut it to size, put it on my heel, and hopefully I'll be fine. What else we got in here? A little smaller. Oh, this is a finger one Band-Aid. So you can see it fits on your finger. Some smaller Band-Aids. Alcohol prep, iodine. Oh, another finger Band-Aid. Some hand wipes, antiseptic, and more of those pain relieving gel, burn free. Here's everything that fit in that little tiny bag. We have our pills and our seasickness pills, in case the filling drops out, new skin, disinfectant towel, and over here some gauze, packets of burn-free gel, a little of the raw Manuka honey, and here's all of our Band-Aids and our moleskin, and an iodine pad, quick clean hand wipe, and an alcohol prep pad. So that's it. I might add a couple more alcohol prep pads, but a lot can fit into this tiny pouch. I invite you to check out my other channel, Potpourri Escapes, if you'd like to see how we do on the 17-day Panama cruise and if we need to use anything in this kit. Now, I love this little kit and this little pouch by Vanquest. You know, it's almost like a compression pouch, right? When you can use that zipper so it doesn't take up as much room. But boy, it sure can hold a lot and is great for a travel first aid kit. Now, I have more information about the Vanquest pouch below and any of the first aid supplies you might be wondering about. But to me, you should always be prepared with a good first aid kit. Yes, it's more of a ouch kit, right? It's not going to help if you have a severe laceration. For that case, I guess we'd be in seeing the cruise doctor and spending big bucks. But for the little things that can happen, like tripping and bruising and a little abrasion on your knee or a cut while you're hiking, this little kit can come in great. And of course, I think I'll probably use it with my fair skin, since I do have vitiligo, is for sunburn. I'll try my best, but just watch, and then I'll be using that burn gel. So I encourage you, have a first aid kit, no matter where you are, work, home, car, or travel. As always, share the knowledge. Thank you.